Let's follow me from Sofia, Bulgaria to Istanbul, Turkey by train.
Thank you for subscribe.
I go to the train central station of Sofia through Basement's Gate from the tram terminal. And here we can see the park. From this train central station, we also can go to many cities in Bulgaria or even to other countries in the Balkan region. We are going to find the ticket counter where it's located near the door. For me, this central station gives classic vibes, relaxed and clean. And here, the ticket counter that we can buy the train ticket, domestic and international. When we are waiting the train departure time, I'm trying to see around the Sofia Central Station. It's a beautiful station with some Bulgarian art that we can see on the wall and ceiling. I am frequently checking the train schedule on the screen in case the train departure gets delayed. And here you are, my sleeper train from Sofia to Istanbul, Turkey, and this train belonging to Turkish government public transportation company. It's called TCDD train. I'm so excited to see how my cabin looks like. Wow! This sleeper train is fascinating. Looks comfy with big window and the chair that adjustable to the bed, and I booked the cabin type for 2-person maximum. The cabin has Wasserfall, mirror, locker for bags, and also refrigerator to put my meals and drink fresh. This even included with meals and drink ticket. Wow! Let's check the bathroom. In each coach, there is one public bathroom. The bathroom has good facilities, and most importantly, it's clean. Also, there is a shower in case you need refresh yourself. Technically, the train from Sofia to Istanbul will depart during the afternoon and arrive in Istanbul in the morning. When the train is arriving, the border between Sofia and Istanbul, Turkey, the train staff will collect your passport control. And here the cabin looks in bed set. Sorry, this looks messy after I used the bed. When train is arriving the border, all passengers must get out from the train with their luggage for custom check. Then the train continue after passing the border control. Technically, the mileage for the train route is about 571 kilometers, and it takes plus or minus 12 hours, including border control about 20 to 30 minutes. And hey, good morning, sunshine. We are in Turkey territory right now and almost arriving in Istanbul. What a good weather. And finally, we just arrived at Halkali train station in Istanbul, Turkey. Yeah! See you in the next journey. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you for subscribe.